Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to give or take control in Microsoft Teams. So as you can see, this is the official app of Teams or Microsoft, and they have posted like the officially help of like how you can give or take control when sharing screen on Teams. So here is the step-by-step guide. So first of all, you to begin share your screen and then hover over the screen sharing indicator at the top of your screen. Like you will be able to see like this kind of screen sharing option on the top of your Teams app. And also make sure that you have downloaded the Teams app, as it only works on like the application. And after that, then select give control from the presenter toolbar, which will appear when hovering over the screen sharing indicator. So you will be able to see this option called give control, and after that there is a warning like only grant control of your app to individuals you trust. And let's say you are the second person, like the person who wants to take control, so you will be able to see this interface like on the top of your screen. To take control while another person is sharing, select take control. So when you click on take control, and after that the person sharing can approve or deny your request, make selections, edits and other modifications to the share screen while you have control. Select release control to stop sharing control. So this is kind of a simple and step-by-step guide of how you can control, how you can take control or how you can give control to the second person. And make sure that you have downloaded the app, and also make sure that you must be sharing screen to share the control to other persons. So that is a simple and easy process and complete step-by-step guide on how you can do it.